Okay, to start with, open up remix.ethereum.org, and by the way, all these links will be in the video description. But open up remix.ethereum.org, and then you're going to copy over the contract code. Like I said, this will be in the video description. So here we're going to make a new file. Name this AVAX arbitrage by SOL. Going to paste in that code. Now we need to change the compiler version to MATIC 0.50. And everything is compiling as is. Now what this is doing is we're using the Pangolin DEX, which if you're unfamiliar with it, this actually DEX right here, which works on Avalanche, and we are using its smart contracts to, well, we're also using, what am I saying, VCred Avalanche. They're the flash loan providers, so they are providing liquidity for us to trade our generated token back and forth really fast, and that's where the arbitrage opportunity actually comes from. So how this works is once we've loaded in the code here, everything, you know, compiles, whatnot, we need to hook it to MetaMask. And is mine connected? No, it's not. Connect. Okay, so you can see I have 3.2 AVAX in this wallet, and it's also showing right here 3.2. Now, mine's automatically selected. If yours is not, you just have to hit this drop down, but it's initiate flash loan. AVAX arbitrage.sol. And we're going to create our own token that we're going to use to trade with back and forth to create the arbitrage opportunity. So for this, I'll name my token, symbol TOK. And loan amount, this is very important too, because this is how we're generating the returns that you will see here in a minute. I'm going to do 200 AVAX for the loan amount. Now I'm going to transact this, confirm. And we have now deployed our contract to the Avalanche mainnet. And now we need to fund our contract so it has enough gas that it can trade, that it will be successful trading back and forth to create the arbitrage opportunity. So it's real important that we fund it with enough gas so that it can trade enough. Now essentially what I usually do is go here. I usually do about $200 worth. So that is 200 AVAX, or $200 is 2.25 AVAX. Go back here. Now I need to send 2.25 AVAX to this contract that we created. So, boom. That was 2.25. So, send, paste in that contract address, 2.25. Confirm. Now that we have sent the AVAX to the contract successfully, now we have to run the contract, which will say flash loan. And if you actually hit this, and I'm going to hit this drop down, and you should see it hit pretty soon after I hit the flash loan button. Flash loan. Confirm. No, shouldn't be long. It usually takes about 15-20 seconds. Boom. And that's 15.17 Avalanche from that arbitrage. pretty amazing. What is that equal to? So 15.17. 15.17. That is $1,346, and that's not bad either. So you would say that was a successful arbitrage?